So today I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on your Moneylion account. So we went ahead and loaded up our app here in real time. You can see the house icon here on the bottom left. Now there are a couple different ways to get to setting up a direct deposit, but one of the fastest is going to be all the way on the top left-hand side. You're going to see those three stacked lines. Let's go ahead and click on that. And that is going to take you to your settings page here. You're going to see money management. If we go down just a little bit here, you're going to see where it says direct deposit. Click anywhere on there or the right-hand arrow. So now we're here on the setup direct deposit page. This might actually take a few moments to fully load up. If you don't see this right away, give it just a few extra moments. And from here, the top option here is going to give you the choice to go ahead and find your employer. So these are going to be really popular companies like Walmart, Uber, ADP, Workday, or even some US government positions, and you'll be able to actually log in and connect with your payroll right away. Now, if you don't have that option, we're going to also go ahead and do this manually by sliding all the way to the bottom of the screen. You can see here where it says set up your direct deposit manually. I'm going to go ahead and slide up. And here you're going to see two really important numbers. You're going to see your account number as well as the routing number. Now, of course, I have my account number blocked here, but you can go ahead and copy these if you need to and provide these over to your employer, or you can go ahead and send a direct deposit form to that employer, and that way you can get it all done directly inside of the app here. Now, once you go ahead and do either one of those options, you're going to see you get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit, as well as going to enjoy up to $1,000 in instant cash when it comes to being able to have direct deposit into your Moneylion account. Now, there's more to show you when it comes to using your Moneylion account, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.